Saudi Arabia is an Arab country in West Asia that covers almost the entire territory of the Arabian Peninsula with an area of approximately 2,150,000 kilometers. Saudi Arabia is geographically the fifth largest country in Asia and the second largest in the Arab world after Algeria. Saudi Arabia is bordered by Jordan and Iraq to the north, Kuwait to the northeast, Qatar, Bahrain, and the United Arab Emirates to the east, Oman to the southeast, and Yemen to the south. The country is separated from Israel and Egypt by the Gulf of Aqaba. Due to the Islamic law enforced in this country, Saudi Arabian people are prohibited from mingling with the opposite sex. It is strictly forbidden to work, especially to hold hands with non-mahram people. In Saudi Arabia, every time prayer arrives, all shop, restaurant, or anything related to buying and selling transaction must be stopped or closed. No matter how busy the market or malls is when it is prayer time, all shop will be closed. So for those of you who are half-heartedly shopping at the market or mall, you have to bite your fingers because you have to wait until the prayer time is over. The habit of burping in any place for Arabs is something that is dirty, while blowing the wine is something good and needs to be said Thanksgiving. Most Saudis have a different sleep time than the usual Indonesian people, where they just sleep in the morning and wake up in the afternoon or even in the evening, while at night they carry out their daily activity. Indonesian people, when meeting with friends or relatives, usually shake hands but hear their right and left cheeks meet more than 3 times. Some even clutch noses when they meet. There is no such thing as a cinema in Saudi Arabia, let alone nightclubs and the like. For those who like watching movie, they can only watch through television channels or by playing DVDs. There are even some people, especially those with money, they will go to neighboring countries such as the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, or Qatar just to watch a movie in the cinema. Hira Cave is at the top of Jabal Nur. The location is quite extreme because it's on a steep uphill climb. In this place that the Prophet Muhammad SAW received the first revelation from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. If you want to visit Hira Cave, make sure your body is in top condition. Jabal Rahmah is a romantic place, often called the Hill of Love. Jabal Rahmah is in the form of a rock hill as high as 70 meters with a monument at the top. Quba Mosque, which is on the outskirts of the city of Medina. The mosque was built by the Prophet Muhammad SAW in 1 Hijriah or 622 AD. The architecture of the Quba Mosque now looks very sturdy with the descriptive white color. The Prophet Mosque is the main destination beside the Great Mosque. The Prophet Mosque is in the city of Medina. This is where the Prophet Muhammad SAW is buried. You can also find hydraulic umbrellas, which are very iconic from this mosque. It's certainly not good if you don't buy souvenirs. Well, you can visit Zakbaria Market, which is located not far from the Grand Mosque. In this market, you can find very complete souvenirs, starting from latest worship utensils, souvenirs to electronic devices.